Suppose a body of mass m is placed on the surface of the earth. Okay, so you know what potential energy possessed by the body. Okay, so let us see the U potential difference is possessed by the body. So U is equal to minus capital G M E M upon R E. Okay, you know this expression very well. When body is placed on the surface of the earth, it possesses a potential energy of minus capital G MEM upon RE. Okay. You also know the potential energy out of gravitational field or at infinite is zero. So if you want to send this body out of gravitational field, you have to do a work of capital G M E M upon R E. Okay. There is no difference in energy and work. You have seen in dimension also. So this amount of work, if this amount of work is done over this body, then potential energy of the body becomes zero. Means when you will work upon this body equal to this magnitude, its potential energy becomes zero. No doubt, if potential energy becomes zero, obviously it is said to be that body went out of gravitational field. Okay, so actually I have to project the body, I have to throw the body. Suppose if I take this energy, then body have to throw with the escape velocity VE. Escape velocity is designated by VE. Okay, so kinetic energy, or you can say the escape kinetic energy of the body must becomes equal to this. So you can say escape energy is equal to plus capital G M E M upon R E. Okay, we will provide this amount of energy, this magnitude of energy to this one, where body is kept at on the surface of the earth. When you add them, total energy becomes zero. Okay, it is understood. If energy of the body becomes zero, it means the body is out of gravitational field. Now, if body is thrown with the velocity of VE, that is with the escape velocity, then its kinetic energy must be equal to half mve square. Okay, if this kinetic energy is equal to capital G M E M upon RE, obviously this velocity will be the escape velocity. M will cancel out. So VE square is equal to 2 GME upon RE. Okay, or VE is equal to under root 2 GME upon RE. So this is the first form of formula of escape velocity. Let us see another form of this formula. This is meter per second. Okay? You know what GME upon RE square is equal to G. It was the relation between small g and capital G. I have studied in universal gravitation. So GME is equal to GRE square. Okay? On putting this value over here, so VE is equals to under root 2G RE square upon RE, that is equal to under root 2G RE. Okay, so VE is equal to under root 2G RE. This is the second form of formula of escape velocity, meter per second. Okay.